Yeah guys, today I go cook callaloo and cabbage. Otherwise, the callaloo is the dashing bush guys. I don't know if you never see this before. You understand how it is when I cut up it. Yeah guys, so I go cook it and the cabbage together. Guys, just watch your badness in our kitchen today. Yeah guys, as you can see, the base, I don't cut up my dashing bush, otherwise callaloo and cut up my cabbage. Just it turn green and white. So guys, what am I gonna do now? I gonna light up the stove and put on my pot and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand what I did? Yeah. Guys, if you never see this, try it. If you never do this before, more you try it, guys. And if you never see it, guys, more you share the video to your friend them guys. You understand what I did? Yeah. Dashing bush and cabbage with some white flour dumpling, guys. Watch your badness in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so I go on in my pot so. Yeah, my dashing bush and my cabbage. Otherwise my callaloo and cabbage, you understand what I did. Guys, just my ground season and the hard purpose I put on it. You understand what I did? Because you don't know. So you have a ground season for your vegetable, you don't want a bag season. And guys, look over this so. So I go on in my pot so. Yes, my flour them are boil guys. Yeah guys, I'll say this again. If at the first you see this, the dashing bush and the cabbage, I want to try it guys. And also share the video with your friend. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm going to go and cut up some ground season now guys. So watch your badness in our kitchen. Guys, watch how I go on in our pot. You see that? Just stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Be your badness. See me flour over here so. Yeah guys, be your badness in our kitchen. Be your badness. Be your badness. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look on the callaloo and cabbage with white flour dumpling guys. Otherwise dashing bush. We use the dashing bush as the callaloo guys. Guys, see you in our next video. And guys, remember, follow me on YouTube as Nicholas Brown. You understand what I did? Yeah, be a badness. Be a badness guys.